All right, there is some breaking news coming in on the top political story that we're tracking today. Jitan Ram Manjhi has in fact been called. He is likely to be expelled from the JDU. This is the latest information that we are in fact getting in. Current Bihar Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi likely to be expelled from the JDU. Remember this after a certain faction of the JDU, over 90 MLAs expressed their support for Nitish Kumar. They had in fact elected him as the head of the legislature party, and in the light of those political developments, Jitan Ram Manjhi refused to step down and is now likely to be expelled from the JDU. And the latest information that is coming in on this big political story that we're tracking from Bihar is that Jitan Ram Manjhi, in the light of the political developments that have been taking place in Bihar, is likely to be expelled from the party. This after a majority of MLAs of the JDU in fact elected Nitish Kumar as the leader of the legislative party, an election that was in fact recognized by the Speaker of the House. The latest information that we are getting in is that the Bihar Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi is likely to be expelled from the party. This is what we're expecting to happen at this point in time. There is, however, no clarity that is emerging, but it is expected that in the light of the developments that have taken place, Jitan Ram Manjhi may be in fact expelled from the JDU. The political crisis in Bihar, as we've been talking about, has only been deepening. This after 97 Janata Dal United MLAs chose former Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar as the head of the state legislature. Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi, remember, had defied the party's stance. He refused to step down. He is now demanding a floor test. Bihar Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi has been expelled from the JDU. Nitish Kumar has in fact cracked down on Jitan Ram Manjhi, who refused to step down as the Chief Minister of Bihar. Joining me live with all the details is my colleague Rohit Singh. Rohit, you've been tracking developments on this big political story. The latest that is coming in is that Jitan Ram Manjhi has been expelled from the JDU. Take us through the implications of what Nitish Kumar has done.
Well, this battle is being fought tooth and nail here in Bihar, and yesterday itself Sharad Yadav had shot a letter to Jitan Ram Manjhi explaining him that there was a meeting of the JDU legislators that was called, and he was sacked as the leader of the legislature party, and a new leader in form of Nitish Kumar has been elected, and therefore you are no more the chief leader of the legislature party, so you need to resign. And in that letter, in a very stern manner, Sharad Yadav has directed Jitan Ram Manjhi to tender his resignation, but that is not. Manjhi continues to remain defiant. Until today, he has not resigned, and that is why now the party has moved ahead and taken another step, and he has been expelled from the primary membership of JDU. So this battle is being fought till the very end between both the camps of Nitish and Manjhi.
All right, Mausami Singh is also live with us. Mausami, Bihar Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi expelled from the JDU. Clearly, Nitish Kumar there cracking the whip in the light of the defiance that Manjhi has shown. What are going to be the implications of the fact that he's been expelled from the JDU, Mausami?
Clearly, this was inevitable as Jitan Ram Manjhi was not towing the line of the party, and JDU accused he was playing in the hands of the BJP, but they wanted to go step by step. That is why the letter that came out yesterday with Sharad Yadav actually directing that Jitan Ram Manjhi should resign from his post. And we did get some indications in the morning that severe action was likely against him since he had become of the rival camp. But as of now, you can hear there is a lot of sloganeering at the Patna airport. We are waiting for the Bihar Chief Minister to arrive any moment from now. Lot of crowd has gathered out here, and there are a bunch of MLAs who are in support of Manjhi, who have also come to welcome him. It is to be seen what the Chief Minister has to say about his expulsion.
All right, it remains to be seen what really Jitan Ram Manjhi has to say about the expulsion at this point in time. But Mausami, you've been tracking political developments on this story. Given the defiance that Manjhi had shown to the JDU stance on this issue, the odds at this point in time clearly against him. And, this was an expulsion that was just waiting to happen, Mausami.
Yeah, actually, this was just a procedural formality as far as Mr. Manjhi was concerned, because he knew there would be action that would be following. In fact, he has also in earlier times said that if he's forced out of the party, he would not he actually contemplate joining the BJP. So this is a big political development as far as the politics in Patna is concerned, because it will have repercussions. And in the permutation and combination of all parties, the BJP is keeping a close watch. It is actually looking at the entire drama from the stand, and it has been accused of being instrumental in creating this entire row. So the dynamics clearly have changed after this expulsion, because Mr. Manjhi, that means that Mr. Manjhi has all options open. He has been saying that he can take the support of the BJP if he is subjected to a floor test. So here, if you see, this expulsion will add to the complications in the politics that is unfolding in Bihar. And clearly now at 1:30, when Nitish Kumar would go to the governor, he would be also highlighting this fact that Mr. Manjhi is no longer a member of the JDU. He has been expelled from the party, and clearly he is no longer the leader of the JDU legislature party, and he's lost all support. So Nitish Kumar, along with all his delegation, will try to press upon the governor that he should be called to the floor to stake claim to form the government.